Today on the bench, we have my good friend Evans Charvel. This some kind of an HH Strat. It seems cool guitar. Cool guitar. Needs a little love, needs fret dressing and a setup. All right, so let's get to work.
Blue and pink like the sky, golden shimmer in early morning sunrise, flower blooms in the dead of night. She never needed light to keep her fire, and I'm caught somewhere between fear and trance. Yeah, I'm falling hard and you don't have to try. Sick for the cute, sad for the smile. Stuck in the stream, I don't wanna wake up. They say it ain't right, but I don't have to try. I love to hate the truth tonight. Shaky hands, but a steady mind. Know what to say, know where to find. Answers they leave, question to find. The more I starting to believe. I'm starting to believe. Darkland's no comfort, shaking eyes, cigarettes and liquor. This party is no winner. Here all alone with no one to pretend to.
Okay, for our sound demo today, we're plugged into the Friedman with the 212 cab into the dirty channel.